Don't worry about anything else. Okay? You'll try to wash out the x later on. But first time you do it, see what happens. So what happens now, Ms. Helen? Now you see some cancel. It's already factored. Huh? There's no addition and subtraction so to send you down the Primrose path. When there's additions and subtractions, don't cancel. Bad idea. What idea? Treacherous. Proceed with extreme caution. But everything is factored here. There's no addition, there's no subtraction. So we have tangent squared x du, which is very dangerous in itself. Now what, Ms. Heather? Now you will say to yourself, you will use a Pythagorean identity. What is the tangent squared of x?
Secant squared minus 1.
I'm sorry?
Secant squared
x minus 1. I'm sorry, 1 minus secant squared. Tangent squared.
Oh, there.
1 minus secant squared. Yes?
Oh, yeah.
1 minus secant squared du. But again, we still have x's and u's in there. What do I do?
You substitute that secant squared x.
I say to myself that u is secant x. Secant x is u. So this becomes what? 1 minus u squared du, which is now easy. What's the antiderivative of this? Mr. Everything good here, Mr. Yasmin?
Well, I thought it would be secant squared x minus 1.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Yeah.
Yes. I was done teaching at 10:30 last night. U squared minus 1. Wednesdays I teach at 10. What is the antiderivative of this? U cubed over 3 minus u plus c. U being what? No, please do not leave your answer in u because I don't know what you're doing. We are asked to find the antiderivative of this. It should involve x. Okay? If you write u's in there, what are you doing? You don't know what you're doing, right? Want the antiderivative of this thing, which is a function of x, it should be a function of x. What is it? Secant cubed x over 3 minus secant x plus c.
You know, it's funny how
Okay, the last thing.
Not do that Thursdays.
challenge accepted.
The last thing we want to do is where we have multiples of x. Integrals of this kind. Sine mx, cosine nx. Sine mx, sine nx dx. For example, sine 10x times sine 4x dx. For example, sine 8x sine 3x dx.